Nice little lake. Fun. If you can see downtown back there. Nature lover, lake lover. I don't say lover, but you know, using it in a sense, but lake lover. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. Doing a little walk. Probably gonna walk over there because it's like it loops around and whatnot. So I haven't been on this side of the lake, but walk around just a little bit, then walk back. There's something about nature, seeing people out, relaxing, doing your own thing, that is good. Hope everybody's enjoying the day. Stay blessed, like peace and love.